The National Student Clearinghouse's Postsecondary Data Partnership, or PDP, dashboards are a rich source of information about your institution and students. To help you better understand how to use these dashboards, we have prepared tutorials. You may be wondering which tutorials would be the best for you to watch. If you're new to the PDP, we suggest you watch the following tutorials. The purpose of the Postsecondary Data Partnership explains the mission of the National Student Clearinghouse, its impact on higher education, and the role of the PDP in supporting that mission. The Postsecondary Data Partnership process gives an overview of the types of data the institution submits, when those data are uploaded, how those data are processed, validated, and checked, and how those data are reported. Lastly, the Postsecondary Data Partnership Metrics discusses the key performance indicators reported in the PDP dashboards, definitions of common metrics reported in the PDP, like first-year student, and provides a high-level summary of each dashboard. Once you've gone through this content, you're ready to explore additional topics, like getting started with the PDP data elements. These are just a few examples of tutorials that can provide tips on exploring your institution's PDP dashboards. For more content to watch, look for the guide under the Materials section of this tutorial.